replace the underlined word. That's correct. The village at the bottom of the volcano was destroyed by the lava. That's correct. The duty of a soldier is to guard his home and country. That's correct. The mouse ran through a small hole in the wall. That's correct. The tourist asked the policeman the way to the airport. That's incorrect. I am thankful for the help you have given me. That's correct. The captain ordered his men to open fire. That's correct. Joan is glad because she has done well in the examination. That's correct. We spotted a stranger climbing over our neighbor's fence. That's correct. Tim sits beside his best friend in class. That's correct. The artist displayed his painting at the gallery. That's correct. As his brother was absent, Paul received the prize on his behalf. That's correct. There were many famous persons at the dinner last night. That's correct. The voyage was long. That's correct. Long ago, people used to live in caves. That's correct. These plates and glasses are fragile. That's correct. My mother has gone to the market and she will return soon. That's correct. I complained to the baker that the loaf of bread was stale. That's correct. The manager told his workers to be punctual. That's correct. The teacher went straight to the principal's office immediately. That's correct. The explorers found the pirates' treasure in the cave. That's correct. Mary is afraid of being alone in the big house. That's correct. The cripple was helped from the clinic to the car. That's correct. The couple decided to get married. That's correct. The court found him innocent. That's correct. My mother is sewing some buttons onto my shirt. That's correct. The horse jumped across the ditch. That's correct. The fire soon spread to the whole village. That's correct. My friend took many pictures at my wedding. That's correct. There were several bad mistakes in his report. That's correct. This company is controlled by 3 partners. That's correct. Only a few students in my class failed the examination. That's correct. I cycle to school every day. That's correct. The teacher asked me about my homework. That's correct. I offered my help, but she refused it. That's correct. She was thirsty after the long run. That's correct. Do you know who created the telephone? That's correct. The boy was very selfish. That's correct. The guard stopped us from entering the building. That's correct. Please wipe the table with a wet cloth. That's correct. We had a short discussion on the matter.